warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me, Tania Anissa. Today, I'd like to tell you about prepositions that tell time and place. So, to make it short, let's check it out. But before we talk about prepositions that tell of time and place, I want to ask you something. Do you know what is preposition? What exactly is a preposition? If you don't know, I will let you know. A preposition is a word and almost always a very small, very common word that shows location, direction, or time, or that introduces an object. Prepositions are typically followed by an object, which can be a noun phrase, or a pronoun. And then, what is an example of a preposition? The most common prepositions are at, by, for, from, in, of, on, to, and with. When English speakers talk about time and place, there are three little words that often come up. There are in, on, and at. These common words are prepositions that show a relationship between two words in a sentence. But these little two-letter prepositions seems to create confusion. Because of that, here are a few rules to help you understand when to use in, on, and at in a sentence. For describing time and place, the preposition in, on, and at go from general to specific. Let's start by looking at how they talk about time. English speakers use in to refer to a general, longer period of time, such as centuries, decades, years, months, and weeks. Moving to shorter, for more specific periods of time, they use on to talk about particular day, dates, and holidays. And for the most specific times and for holidays without the word day, they use at. And they often use at to mention hours. Okay, now we are moved to preposition and place. When English speakers refer to a place, they use in for the largest or most general places, like country, city, and neighborhood. And for more specific place, like certain streets or avenue, they use the preposition on. And for the last, and finally we get to the most specific places. For exact addresses or intersection, English speakers use the preposition at. Like when they mention address or specific location, they use the preposition at. And here I have some example to make sure that you understand how to use in, on, and at as the preposition of time and place. The first, in Indonesia, it often rains in September. We use in because September is one of the name of month, so we use in. The second, her birthday is on 7 March. Why we use on? Because 7 March is a date, so we use on. And for the last, we have a meeting at 10 a.m. Why the preposition that used in this sentence is at? Because 10 a.m. is hour, and hour is more specific than months than date. Okay, and don't forget that the preposition in, on, and at describing from general to specific. In for general, on for more specific or smaller than in, and at is the most specific. Okay, and for the next example, do you live in Indonesia? We use in because Indonesia is one of name of the country in the world. So we use in this sentence. And then there are no prices on this menu. Or if you confused, I have the other example. Like, you may know that Selena lives on Pennsylvania Avenue in Washington, D.C. Yeah, we use on this sentence because it refers to street and avenue. Okay, and for the last, Jacob is waiting for you at the library. Or I have the other example. Come to my house at 7 Independence Avenue. Why we use at? Because the sentence refers to address, and address is more specific of place. Okay? And then I think that's enough from me. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for your attention. And if you think that this video beneficial for you, you can share, comment, like, and subscribe. And you can turn on the notification so if I upload a new video, you will know and you will get the notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Bye bye.